my friends, I welcome you to another episode of Aditya Talks. And today we are going to talk to another special person, and she is Hiramani Wadhwa. And she is a blind woman from birth, and she's a very interesting person, and she has done a lot in the field of social working, and she is going to share a lot of knowledge with us today. So it's going to be a very interesting episode, so stay tuned till the end. Well, I welcome you to the show, Miss Hiramani.
Thank you, Aditya. I'm too happy to be with you.
It's my honor. Now let us begin the interview. The first question
Yes,
I have for you is that Hiramani ji, your life is like
and
so inspirational. Despite your insurmountable challenges, you acquired high academic qualifications and a respectable career. Before we begin our talk, please tell us about your journey and the challenges you faced in your life as a blind woman.
yes, Aditya. Uh, when I was 9 months old, only 9 months, that time I had a high fever. Due to high fever, I lost my both the eyes. But I'm really pleased to say, and it's my honor, that my parents were so nice and so supportable. I never had any problems. They took a lot of trouble for me, of course, and rather I will take it was their challenge more than me. Because when we lose our eyesight from the beginning, that time then we don't face any much problem, because we are used to. Then they put me in the other school for the blind, Kamla Mehta, at the age of 4. And at the age of 4, I lost my father also. And then I went to the other school for the blind, which is known as a Kamla Mehta school. So
Yes.
from that time, yeah, 4 years onwards, I was in the hostel. I used to come back home weekends. And then from there only, after my seventh standard, we were in integrated school, Chabildas Girls High School, 8 to SSC. Then at that time it was 11th as a SSC, right? And
Yes.
and meanwhile, in my that journey till SSC, I was in Red Cross, I was in Girl Guide, I was in orchestra, I learnt music, and also I appeared 3 music exams, and I used to participate in various competitions throughout
That's
my yeah. Thank you. And another thing, after SSC, uh, real journey started. I was very much pampered at home by parents and my sisters, my parents. After my SSC, I came back home. Then they used to feel कि nahi, I should, you know, now stop studying or something, that I should go for a job where they will take me by bus and they will again back me, will bring me back by bus only. But, or van. So I didn't want that because people's tendency. I wanted to wipe out, brushed out that tendency. A blind person only can do either sorting, packing, telephone operating, or music. Of course, my music is my heart, but I wanted to show the people that no, blind persons can do something more than that. So I joined my Khalsa college, first year and inter. I did that. I finished. And then after that, I changed my line. I went because, as I told you from childhood, is my leadership hobby. And
yes.
I was a monitor throughout in school. And I used to, of course, help people from the beginning. And then I said, ki, nahi, I should go for social work. And in that social work field, I took admission. I did my bachelor's and master's in social work. Yeah.
Yes.
And then after doing my social work, as soon as I finished my graduation, BSW means Bachelor's in Social Work, I started my job career. I was working with the community development as a community development officer, come counselor in community aid and sponsorship program, where Mr. Sharat Chand Gokhaleji was a director and
Yes.
CASP. Over there, I worked for 3 years. Then I uh, changed my idea. I said nothing doing. I should go for my post graduation. Then I took my admission in Nirmala Niketan again for master's degree. I finished my MSW, Masters in Social Work, while doing my job. And then again I went to Indian Guild for the Handicapped. I left Community Aid and Sponsorship Program office. And they were very much shocked because they liked my work very much. Uh,
Yes.
but then somehow I said, ki, nahi, I should have some other experiences also. So I joined Indian Guild for the Handicapped. Then
Yeah.
after master's degree, as soon as I finished, I was interviewed for professional social worker uh, in PMC, Bombay Municipal Corporation Education Department, collaboration with Nirmala Niketan College of Social Work. So over there, they took my interview, and I'm glad to say no influence, nothing. On my merit only, I was selected. And another thing, I came to know on the corridor when that interviewer came to me and shook my hand. Madam, I have really, it's a great interview. I'm so happy. Then I came to know I'm selected. So after that, this interview, I was selected and I started my work as a school social worker. And I was dealing with 11 schools previously. And then they liked this so much. And then all of us, all community development officers, were absorbed in Bombay Municipal Corporation Education Department as a community development officer. So this is my journey. And another thing, my company as a when I started my this work, I was looking after whole ward, not only 11 schools, uh, maybe more than 55 schools, and then we started so many things along with the education of the students because we had to reduce the dropout rate of the students and make them interested in this education. And then while doing this job, again I said, "Nahi, I have to do something more." Then I took admission for LLB. I finished my law degree, and then again I took admission in SNDT, where I finished my uh, Women's Studies Certificate course. And I'm so glad. Then after that, I did my
That
LGS, local self government.
that's so interesting. You are more educated than people who have eyes. They do not study this much. You are a wonderful person, and it was so interesting to hear your story. Now the
Thank you
second.
so much. It's my friends and my parents and my teachers' inspiration.
Okay. So now the second question I have for you is that did your family support you to grow even though you were blind? And please specify all the challenges you faced in childhood due to blindness. Like, did did children or your peers tease you because you were blind, or did you feel left out on things, or what happened? Can you please share your experience?
Sure, sure. Uh, in Kamla Mehta school, all were blind. So we had
Oh,
nothing like, all were blind. But we were treated so well, we never felt that we are blind. Everywhere they used to take us. I'll give you my one incident. Uh, uh, we had one tableau. You know tableau, na? In
uh,
Hindi they call Mukabinay.
I do not
हाँ
know.
हाँ
आप
so
बता
that's a
सकते हो?
tableau. हाँ, ये क्या होता है, हम लोगों को खाली एक्शन करना रहता है और वो यू नो दे taught us. So I had played the role of Guru Nanak
Oh,
in Delhi conference hall. In so many dramas, and as I told you, I had participated dramas and directing the programs and all. So there, um, they knew that all blind people have come, blind students, and they are participating in this program. When I played my role, I finished that they clapped so much, but they fought with my principal. Why, you know?
why?
They failed. They failed that she's lying that I am a blind person.
Oh,
That
that
was a fantastic.
uh,
So then, then she took me along with her to those people in conference hall, front of them. So when they saw me, they were so happy. My principal said, "Oh, आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, ऐसा अगर है वो ब्लाइंड नहीं है तो फिर मुझे वहां पर ले गए. After that, they when they saw me, then they, Bapre, they some people they give me chocolates, some they give me sweets and what not, you know. I was so honored, like so. This was
okay.
incident.
So
Uh-huh.
that was
Uh,
an interesting story. It was very interesting. And now,
and
like, see,
another thing I'll tell you.
yeah.
Another
So
thing
many.
I want to share with you.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
there was. So when I was in orchestra, I used to play a mandolin. So
Yes.
we three to four of us were the mandolin players. So a sitar player fell sick in that program, and we
Yes.
had that program on radio station. And so many
Yes.
programs, of course, I appeared 16 to 17 programs on radio stations, interview and so many things. So that time a principal came and said, Hiramani, you know, to in Marathi, she said, "Tu satar vajav." I said, um, but ताई, मी कधी sitar वाजवली नाही. I have never played. So she said, no, no, I believe in you. I trust in you. You will learn and you will play. So
Yes.
within 8 days, I took that sitar and I played with orchestra.
Okay. So that was an interesting story. Now, see, many like me are like have got the God's gift of eyes to see and experience the life around us through the colors which we see every day. I can't even imagine what life would look like without eyes and the colors of nature. Can you please advise and elaborate how life and colors for you look like? What is life
Uh,
from your point of view?
my point of view, see, when person speaks to me, I can imagine as I'm working as a counselor also. And from their tone of voice and from their walk or something, I can imagine how is that person. Sometimes when they talk, so I come to know. That person is very sad, looking very sad, or looking so happy. If that person is sad, I said, "Arey, what happened? What's wrong with you?" They said, "How did you realize?" I said, "No, from your tone of voice, I could feel it." So our feelings are really, we can make out. And color, I love pink color. Hmm? I love golden
Yes.
color. So pink, I always feel like when I take rose in my hand, I wow, pink color is so beautiful like a rose. And like that, imagination. And so many things. When I go to see the movies, people say, "Arey, how you know?" But we come to know when we see the movie, what's going to happen further.
Yes.
So these are the things. Imagination and our mind, our touch and mind are more than the eyes, I feel. More than the
Okay.
eyes. I always used to tell my mummy, "Hey, mummy, if I would have had eyesight, then शायद मैं इतना आगे नहीं बढ़ सकती या I wouldn't have uh, achieved so much."
ओके। ये कितनी अच्छी सोच है आपकी, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा इसे सुन के। मेरे व्यूअर्स,
Thank
आपको
you,
भी
जी.
समझना चाहिए, अपनी इमेजिनेशन के साथ अपनी जिंदगी जियो। ये बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा। अब हिरामणि जी, how did you get the idea of going into the field of social working? Because what is your message to others as to why everyone should spend some time in the field of social working?
हाँ जी. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, from the beginning, I am interested in social work. I knew
Okay.
nothing. But when I was in the Red Cross, I was in Girl Guide, and throughout I was a monitor in the class. And sometimes, if my teacher, absent, teacher is absent or something, then I used to take class. Not only that, cooking class also I used to handle. We used to
Yeah.
have cooking period also from third standard. So I used to take a class. And another thing, so these all the qualities are in me. I feel so. So as I told you, I'm pampered in house, and my parents love me so much. So after my SSC, they were feeling, Bapre, how she will go alone. No, as I told you, okay, they wanted me to go by vehicle, come by vehicle. So I didn't want that. I said nothing doing. So first counseling without any qualification of college, or I started at home. So I wrote a letter to my mummy and my sisters. I'm the youngest one in the house. So
Oh.
I wrote a letter. I said, "Ki, see, I don't want to spoil my career. I want to achieve so much in my life. Please don't disturb me. If you feel कि people will say, oh no, she's a blind, here, send me alone." So whatever happens, it will be my luck, like, if I go out of the house to achieve something. So don't be afraid. If something happens to me, accident or anything, you show this letter. Nothing is on you. It's my risk, on my responsibility. I am going, I'm attending my college. So I used to go every day from home to college, and I took my so many trainings like telephone operating first to show my mummy, okay, how I do my mobility. So naturally, I did my telephone operating course. I did my some workshop course. So my typing I learned ordinary. So I know both braille typing and ordinary typing. So when my mummy, she saw me going alone, then she felt happy. and she allowed me. And when she used to come to my college for any function or for my any award function, she used to have tears, happy tears in her eyes. Even my sisters, my brothers, all.
That's that's very interesting. Now,
So
what?
that's why I went to social work field.
Okay. And what is your message to others as to why everyone should spend more time in social work?
Yes, I feel your spare time you should spend for others. You know, when you do something for others, it's real beautiful life. You know, you feel happy, you get satisfaction. Hmm? I also had so many friends, those they used to read and write for me, and as a readers, as a writers, they were my readers and writers, but they came so close to me, and we are the best friends now, like sisters, brothers, friends, so much. You know, I always feel my friends, my teachers, my parents, because of them, I could achieve so much.
That's that's interesting. Now, now the next question I have for you is, what kind of support was like provided by volunteers? Did they treat you as a subject, or like subject of sympathy or pity, or treated you at par with them and acknowledged your hard work, discipline, and education?
Uh, yes. Um, I was treated normally, like, I was in integrated school also, integrated college also, in Chabildas Girls. 1 minute, Aditya, there is phone call is coming. I'll just. Shall I say now?
Yes.
Hello? Huh.
Yeah.
So, my friends, they were voluntarily working for me. Um when I was in the other school, Kamla Mehta school, people used to come to read for us. They never treated us like a blind person. Rather, I will give you one incident. I was in Chabildas Girls High School. That was integrated, of course. We only two of us blind girls were in the school. Sorry, in the class. In my class, huh? Only two of us. In all, among 65 students. So once competition was there, so my teacher said, ki, Ramani, can you guide? Because you sing also, you can teach those students. We'll have a group song competition. So not only group song, with action, I taught them. Okay, all sighted girls. And then we got first prize. I remember Hamare Jawan Hai, Hamare Jawan. On that song, I directed also, and we got the first prize. I got a Best Students Award in Kamla Mehta School also, and Chabildas Girls High School also. So, and not only that, in when I was in college, we used to have a competitions, allocation competition. I was alone, a blind girl among those 50, 55 students in college also, Khalsa College.
Yes.
So, allocation competition was there in Bhavan's College. I participated. They sent me. And then I got a prize over there also. And once International Lions Club essay competition was there. Then my two of the professors, they helped me a lot. I dictated them whatever I wanted to write. They wrote for me. They wrote so nice, and I received a essay competition first prize. So, I never needed any sympathy from the people. Never, no pity. If you want to help, help. Otherwise, and in college, Once in Nirmala Niketan College of Social Work, we six of us were there for uh, those who did BSW and MSW. It used to be called BMSW. Means it was more than uh, master's degree course, advanced course. So those all the six girls of us, we were like we were studying well and all. But other people, they felt my other students, colleagues, कि, oh, we are so like we get first class distinction. How she will get? Once one girl asked me, "Oh, you are like working also. We never see you studying. How you will do now? How you will appear?" I said, "Okay, come with me to a library, read for me. I'll sit with you." So I'm enjoying my
Yes.
work also, my studies also. So when I got my results or of master's degree, it was a first class,
Yes.
67%. So that time they all were so happy, like they felt कि नहीं हम भी किसी से कम नहीं.
Okay.
So naturally, yeah,
That's very interesting. Now, did you get the job on your merit or due to your disability? Or
again,
did people treat you as a special person just because you were blind and you did not have like you were not they thought you were blind and they treated you with sympathy, or did they judge you on your education and your skill?
I was judged on my education, my skill, on
That
merit. Whatever I achieved on my merit. No influence, no disability, no special person. I'll tell you, when I was working with a community aid and sponsorship program, each and everyone had some 150 cases to handle. But I had
Yes.
more than 250 cases all over, everywhere. I used to go alone, from Andheri, Sakinaka, Paikala, this central line, Harbour line, everywhere. So everywhere, home visit, talking to the people, talking to their parents, interviewing them, counseling them. And not only that, I started so many things. Previously, they used to have only sponsorship and sponsorship. But when I
Yes.
entered over there, I started study classes, I started group activities, I started taking them for the picnic and all. So,
Yes.
not only that, in college also, I was never treated as a blind person. And in my job also, I received uh, Best uh, Workers Award in my BMC also, Bombay Municipal Corporation,
Yes.
in education department.
So that's very interesting. Now, like the next question I have for you is, please tell us about about your initiative in the field of social working. Like, how do you help these children, and how do you contribute in the field of social working?
Yeah, it's really interesting because, as I told you, from childhood only, I'm interested in social work. So
Yes.
when I started my bachelor's degree, so that time we used to have a field work also, 3 days field work and 3 days lectures. Okay. So in field work, I used to get so many cases and I used to first do counseling. Uh, there are so many cases I can give you example, and like one had it was first case. She was a heart patient. I took her
Yes.
to hospital. She had a rheumatic heart trouble. So I took her to hospital. She was cured also. So when I went to their house and visited her family also, they were so happy कि because of you, my daughter is cured. So
Saved.
they were they were giving me some gifts and all. I said, look, I will not take anything from you. I need only cup of tea and whatever you have purchased for me, please go and give them back, return that, because I don't accept anything. I accept only your love and friendship. That's what. It's my
Yes.
duty, pleasure duty to help you out.
Yes.
And there are so many. Another case I had when I was working, she was a handicapped girl, and I
Yes.
just visited their house. She said, कि मैडम आप तो हमारे घर में चाय नहीं पियोगे. मैंने बोला क्यों? मैं वैसे किसी के घर में नहीं पीती हूँ, लेकिन आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा? बोले नहीं, हम लोग लाइक मुस्लिम्स हैं. मैंने बोला देखिए, I never differentiate between religions and all. Our humanity is a religion, and helping others. This is a really, I mean, manavta, human. You are
Yes.
human, we are human. We have to help each other. आज आपने ऐसे बोला ना तो मैं आपके घर में जरूर चाय पीऊंगी, भले वो she was going to get a milk. I said, nothing doing. I'll have black tea from your hand only. So,
Yes.
that. And then that handicapped girl, she got a crutches, and there are so many cases. We by counseling, by giving them so much help in education department also, giving sponsorship and giving them uniforms, bringing all the people together, donors, contacting them, and uh, because PMC, whatever they can do, they are doing. But other rest of the things we used to do on our own, like starting balwadis for the children. BMC never had a balwadi previously from first standard. So we saw okay, children are dropping out from first standard because they are new, they come new, their parents don't
Yes.
realize the importance of education. Then what we did, we started balwadi in
Yes.
BMC. And from
Yes.
those balwadis, children got habituated. They never cried in first standard, and dropout rate was also reduced. And we used to have a parents meeting, counseling parents, counseling students. Uh, so many cases, various cases. I used to get health problem, family problem, their economical problem, so many marital cases, so many, various cases I'm handling, and I'm happy to say I'm successful in handling those cases. And I did my LLB to help them only
Ye-
economically. Those are they cannot pay the fees and all, so I guide them law point
Yes.
of view also.
Okay. So that's very interesting. And now, please tell us about your future plans in this field.
My future plan, I feel
Yes.
whatever, how much where my life is there, I should help everyone. And my each and every drop of my blood is I should use for the poor people. And
Yes.
I should start, of course, I joined my Tech Mahindra also after my retirement also. Why? Because I love, I want to contribute my knowledge. I want to help others, you know. So it's very interesting Tech Mahindra Foundation also. And all team, my Tech Mahindra Foundation team, they are so
Yes.
nice. So, and really, I got recently certificate awarded from them also for outstanding person. And so nothing like that. Whatever I can do, whatever I can help, how much ever I can achieve. Further, I want to learn so much from the people while doing for them so whatever I can.
Yes. Now that's an interesting future plan you have. And now please guide us on how anyone can help and support your cause, because you have a very good cause and you help so many people. So how can someone help you, because many of the people do not have their time to invest into like social working field, so how can they support you?
See, it's not only supporting me or you, they can support others also rather than
Yes.
because I'm supported from so many people. Like my brothers, they are so sweet. They all my brothers, they take so much care of me. I'll tell you, I lost my parents, but my brothers, they have kept me like a queen,
How
and
many
they are
brothers and
supporting me.
sisters do you have? Just an
Uh,
extra question.
actually, saying we were three sisters, I mean,
Yes.
including me. So I lost
Yes.
my two sisters, but my eldest sister, na, I used to call her mommy after
Yes.
losing my mother when I was doing officer only. So I lost. She was only 61 to 62 years old. My mother, I lost her,
Oh.
1991. So after that, my eldest sister, we both the sisters used to call her mother, mummy, and my jijaji, we used to call him daddy. So actually, her children, I'm proud of them. We used to try Rakhi from the childhood. So naturally, those three brothers and my one another brother who helps me a lot. So that is my fourth one. He is driving for me car also, but when while working with me, he became my brother or son, whatever you say. So
Okay.
I always calculate my four brothers.
Okay. So
Ah,
that's an interesting philosophy you have, and it's very interesting to hear it. Now, can you please share a specific incident or story that inspired you to help more people during the job of social working, of your like social working career?
ah. Yeah, one previous question also I'll answer. You asked me how people can help. See, their spare time, na, when they are free from their job or when they have a weekend, that time they can help those blind persons or other handicapped persons, hmm? Or they can read for them, they can write for them, they can volunteer and whatever work they want to do. Hmm? uh, they can help them in their studies and all. So that way they can help also. And plus, they can contact NAB, National Association for the Blind, or All India Institute for Physically Handicapped and all. So they will
Yes.
get much more knowledge how to go about. And they can come to me also, no problem. I can guide them. Acha. Now you are asking me how I am interested, right? In
Yes.
social
No,
work field. Uh,
no,
uh,
no. I asked the question. Can you please
uh,
share a story, like
uh,
from your
which
health?
inspired me. Okay.
Yes, your
Actually,
story.
हाँ, जैसे मैंने
Yes.
आपको कहा कि from childhood only I'm interested in my social work. So when I finished my SSC, I did my counseling at home. Huh? Then one or two of friends of mine, they came and they guided me. One
Yes.
Mr. Datia and one Shanta Nasian. They counseled my parents also. कि नहीं, you send her out to achieve something. Otherwise, she will
Yes.
lose her chances of achieving. She can achieve a lot. So when they really helped me to come out, huh, and achieve so much, so I felt कि if they are helping me, I should also help others, because of them, because of my parents, because of my friends, because of my staff, all teachers, because of my colleagues of my office, uh, because of them, whatever I achieve, I should share with others. I should contribute my knowledge. I should also help them to really get well educated and get well in their jobs and everything. So this is
Yes, that's interesting. Now, 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 uh, so how do you convince the uneducated parents to send their wards to school?
yes. When I was in Bombay Municipal Corporation, that time, as I told you, कि so many parents, चलो बच्चा रोता है ना, नहीं भेजो स्कूल में. Like, they used to keep
Yes,
their children to look after their siblings, or work along with them, hmm, child labor or something. So I was very much unhappy with things. I said, no, they should be educated and they can gain a lot. So I used to tell those parents, I used to counsel them, कि,
yes,
if you send your children to schools, whatever now they are doing, they can help you much more after their education. See,
yes,
now, if you don't send them school, like you are cleaning the vessels or working as a domestic servant, you want them to work like you, or tell me. So, like that way, I used to counsel them. I used to tell them the importance of education. Ki, see, if you
yes,
send them to school, they will be like, they will. Think over so many things. They will give their opinions, and they will be self defend. They can self defense themselves, like, right?
yes,
Safety purpose also, security purpose. They will know the rules and regulations. They will know their rights and duties. They will earn much more than what now they are earning. So it will be the great help to you only. I used to counsel
yes,
so much, and I used to get always, like, when we used to have a seminar or role play and all. So I used to get a fish pond, like great counselor,
yes. So
the
yeah,
best counselor.
that's interesting. That's very interesting. You got an award for being the best
Yeah,
counselor,
I
and
received so many awards. I received Neelam Ganga Award, uh, outstanding. Then I received Gyanam Ganga. You took Rajesh Shukla's interview, na? So I'm a member
yes.
of that Gyanam Ganga also. So they gave me
Oh,
Life Achievement Award. He is also like my brother only. So uh, then
that's it.
I so Lions Club, Rotary clubs, and school, colleges. So many awards I have.
Okay. So now you told about the counseling part of your story. So now, how do you
Yes.
ensure that young students take studies as the most important thing in their life and do not get deviated or distracted from their parts and go on to something else? How do you ensure that?
Yes. Now, when I told you I was with BMC, and now I'm with Tech Mahindra Foundation. Uh, like at 3 days, I go for counseling. So naturally, I feel those that dropped out from schools or college, they should not become antisocial children.
Yes.
Like, hmm, so to avoid their anti-socialism, we have to encourage them, we have to counsel them. Now also we are giving them training in so many fields. My Tech Mahindra Foundation, we have started so many smart centers where we go and we give them training, and those trainees I counsel. Once I'll tell you the story. One case was there. So she
Yes.
was doing a nursing course, and that
Yes.
nursing course, her husband said कि नहीं ये तो नर्सिंग कोर्स है, आपको नर्स का तो नहीं मिलेगा, आपको आया का भी ये करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा वैसा, नो आई विल नो नॉट सेंड यू. Then I called her husband. I said, look, then I told that girl, okay, bring a stethoscope and bring that BP instrument, take his BP, take his pulse. So then I told him कि ओके भाई साहब, ये एक आया कर सकती है कि एक नर्स कर सकती है. देन ही सेड नहीं नहीं सॉरी, ये आया नहीं करेगी, ये नर्स ही करेगी. तो मुझे बताओ, then nursing course she's doing, then it's good or bad? He said, no, it's very good. Now I could realize. Then he started sending regularly to her that nursing training program. And she got very successfully nurse. Now she has become very good nurse. And so many, there are nurses, so many, there are they have started their own garage also. We have so many training courses, automobile, this Tech Mahindra Foundation. I thank them a lot. And then when I counsel them, and when they are successful, they tell me, मैडम आपका ये जो काउंसलिंग है ना, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा और अभी हमें यूजफुल हो रहा है. And sometimes in BMC also, some children they meet me and they bow down. अरे भाई क्यों पैर क्यों पड़ते हो? नहीं, आपके कारण हम लोग आज इंजीनियर हैं, आज डॉक्टर हैं, आज वो है ये है. तो सुनकर आई एम ऑनर्ड एंड आई फील मोर अवॉर्डेड.
Yes. So that's interesting. Now, just describe how many students you motivated and they could make and how many of them could make their life better, and please share story of your students.
If I give my students number of students, these are the uncounted number, like unlimited, you
Oh,
know. हाँ, as I told you,
ये तो
I was
बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
handling so many schools, and those two normal schools, not only handicapped or something. Rather, in Bombay Municipal Corporation, in education department, M M West Ward or Chembur, M East Ward or West Ward, we had no classes, no schools for mentally handicapped special children. I mean, we didn't have any school. So I
Yes.
struggled and I started that school for mentally retarded persons. So it's
Yes.
running so well now. And another thing, ki
That's good to
naturally,
hear.
yeah, um, in each, like in my ward, we previously we used to have more than 50,000 students, then not only students, then more than 700 or something staff, then more than other peons, every, all were like, we were helping them, and we were visiting the schools and motivating them. So motivation is very good. Uh, Naturally, so as I told you कि children meet me on the way also कि मैडम आपने हमको ये किया. I don't even remember now कि हमने
Yes.
उनको ये किया. But I cannot give you the numbers. Huh?
Yes.
Balwadis started. More than 35 Balwadis I had in my M West ward.
So that's very
Secondary school.
interesting. So so
Yeah.
please share a story. At least you can share a story, right? A story like of your student which inspired you a lot.
Uh, Well, one of our students, I know her from third standard,
Yes.
and now, of course, I kept her as a Balwadi teacher also after
Yes.
her education. Then, while doing her Balwadi teaching, she did her college, graduation, post graduation. Then she learned drawing, she learned
Yes.
craft. Now she's helping others also to develop their career. And she comes and always tells me, "Hey, madam, because of you, whatever I have achieved, because of you." I said, "Don't say that. It's your willingness and it's your willpower. When
Okay.
you have
So
a willingness,
she was with your program and she continued on and became a teacher.
yes,
So
yes,
so
yes,
she's
yes.
so she's your favorite, like that's your favorite story, and that's where
Uh,
that was very interesting. So
Even
and
yeah, one of my another case, uh, two students were there when I was working for the community aid and sponsorship program. His yeah, those children's father was drunkard, heavy drunkard. Like
yes,
he used to drink a lot and smoke a lot. Then
yes,
by counseling and all, and by sponsoring the children, now they became a doctor and like accountant. They did their BCom and whatnot. So I'm so happy. They came and met me. Their eyes were in happy tears. I said, "No, it's
yes,
your willing."
yes.
There
So
are
Miss
so many cases. Yeah.
सही कहा। हिरामणि जी, अब देखिए आप तो अब सीनियर सिटीजन बन गई है ना? अब तो आप सीनियर सिटीजन हैं और अब
हाँ
आपकी
जी।
पूरी ज़िंदगी निकली है और लाइक आपके पास आँखें नहीं थी। तो अब आप बताइए कि आपको आपको आपकी ज़िंदगी का आपको क्या लगता है कि आपको ज़िंदगी में आपको क्या अच्छा वो लगा? आपकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में क्या सोच है अभी? कि आप इतनी मतलब अभी आप इतनी बड़ी लाइक इतनी उम्र में पहुंच गई हैं तो आप अपने वर्क अपने परफॉर्मेंस से आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं जिंदगी जैसी आपकी अभी तक निकली है तो आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं या फिर आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है बताइए।
आदित्य जी, मैं बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि सब जो भी है जिनके पास एजुकेशन नहीं है, दे वो एजुकेशन ले लें। जिनके पास आंखें होते हुए भी खुद को कमजोर समझते हैं, वो खुद को कमजोर ना समझे। They should not feel कि they are weak or something. They should develop. हमारा motivation is
यस
within us, within self. तो मोटिवेशन अगर हमारा खुद में ही है, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग हमारा, अगर हमारी क्षमताएं हम में खुद में ही है, तो हम अपनी कैपेसिटी बिल्टअप खुद कर सकते हैं, अचीव कर सकते हैं। और मुझे मेरी हालांकि वन ऑटोबायोग्राफी बुक विल बी पब्लिश्ड सून। तो
ओह
yeah. So one of my
ए,
great friend, or one of my, you can say, she treats me as a daughter also. Dr. Vijaya Var, Dr. Nishigandha Var, she's an actress. She's a mother of Dr. Nishigandha, and she's also very good writer. So she's going to write. I gave her all material, and she's going to write on me by my full
yes
autobiography. So in that
so
you will
that's
come to so many things.
okay, so that's very interesting. But don't you have any regrets for joining jobs with better salary and status, like in a bank maybe or in government job? Do you regret your life in that way?
Never. Because I'll tell you, my Bombay Municipal Corporation gave me a lot.
हाँ.
I was getting uh, good salary, good amount of salary. I was officer, so why should I regret? And then
Yes.
again, after that also, I mean, these people are a lot for me. Take Mahindra Foundation. I go for counseling. So I never, whatever I achieved when I married, and I never felt, I never feel, I never felt
आप मैर
also, कि I'm
आप
weaker
मैरिड
than
नहीं है?
those people.
आप
नहीं,
मैरिड हैं या नहीं? नहीं?
नहीं, नहीं,
ओह!
नहीं, 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 नहीं.
अच्छी।
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा
ओके।
है, ये जिंदगी मेरी अच्छी है. मेरे सब
हाँ।
मेरे ब्रदर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, सो आई डोंट फील एनीथिंग.
यस। तो अब आप रिटायर्ड हो गई हैं और आपकी लाइक आप अच्छी पेंशन मिल रही होगी आपको, आप गवर्नमेंट उसमें थी तो, और आपकी आपके पास अच्छा घर होगा बॉम्बे में, तो भी आप अपने रिटायरमेंट में मतलब कोई काम नहीं करता है, आप फिर भी आप टेक महिंद्रा के साथ क्यों हो? आपके लाइक
मैं
आप कोई
इसलिए,
आपने
मेरा
कुछ स्पेसिफिक।
स्पेसिफिक यही है, हाँ, कि मैं जो भी मेरे पास नॉलेज है, आई शुड नॉट वेस्ट इट. आई कैन
यस।
कंट्रीब्यूट. और मैं लोगों की जितनी मदद करना चाहूंगी उतनी मैं करूं. अभी भी कोरोना पीरियड में भी मैं गूगल मीट पर लेती हूँ उनके सेशंस वगैरह, एंड दे आर वेरी मच फॉन्ड ऑफ मी. उन्होंने एक, आप मेरा टेक महिंद्रा का वीडियो देख सकते हो, जो मेरा शूटिंग किया हुआ है.
यस।
ऑफ कोर्स यूट्यूब पर मेरे सब सेशंस हैं, लेक्चर्स हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा टेक महिंद्रा ने मेरा शूटिंग किया था.
यस।
हीरामणि टेक महिंद्रा फाउंडेशन, अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो यू विल सी, यू विल गेट इट.
यस।
तो आई एम हैप्पी
यस।
टू
तो ये,
कंट्रीब्यूट माई नॉलेज.
हाँ, तो अब ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है, आपको लाइक अपनी अपनी नॉलेज कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए। अब आप मेरे को बताइए कि आपके पास कौन से मेंटर्स थे आपकी जर्नी में, क्योंकि हर आपकी जो जर्नी है वो आपके लिए आसान तो नहीं रही होगी, तो आपके पास कोई ना कोई तो मेंटर होगा। तो आपकी जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा मेंटर कौन है, मतलब एक या बहुत ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, बताइए, उनका नाम बता सकते हैं आप?
मेरे बहुत सारे हैं जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, जिन्होंने मुझे इंस्पायर किया, जो मेरे मेंटर्स थे. और जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स, आई टेल यू कि मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, कविता ओबेरॉय. शी इज
ओबरॉय।
इन दिल्ली. ओबेरॉय. और उसने मेरे लिए, और रामोना नेटो, शी इज इन अमेरिका. Pamela Fernandez, she's here. She also did a MSW after me. She got inspired because of me. And then my professors are there, so many. Then I can say my brothers, those who are really supporting me a lot, encouraging me to move about whatever I need, whatever I want to do. They encourage me. Plus, my professors, as I told you, my essay competition, Mrs. Now she's Mrs. Momen. Previously, she was Miss Sheikh, Ruxana Sheikh. I still remember her. Then Sikri. Uh, then again, my one of the professors, Mrs. Muzundar, Kalindi Muzundar. She was vice principal in Nirmala Niketan College of Social Work. Mrs. Veera Mehta. She very good. I mean, in my field work also, she was my faculty, she was my supervisor, she was my term paper guide. Term paper means, term paper in
Yes.
MSW, like PhD, how we do now. So those term
Yes.
papers we had to write. I had written the adjustment of the study of marital
Yes.
adjustment amongst the visually impediment. So that term
You
paper,
are
she was Mrs. Veera Mehta.
you
Yeah,
are so lucky to have so many mentors.
so many,
I
so many.
I
Rajesh
envy
Shukla is
you.
one of them. Huh.
I envy
So
you.
many people. Oh, you are also my supporter. Now you are also
Okay.
my friend.
Yes,
I
we both
love
are.
you, Aditya. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, what is your message to all the children like me out there, especially regarding power of giving and never giving up? Because these two things are the values that are visible in your life, that you did not give up despite being blind and you gave so much to people. So, what is your advice to other children of India?
I would say keep hopes alive, huh? Or never give up the hopes.
Yes.
Never give up your motivation. You always uh, try to, have somebody who inspires you. One of
Yes.
my young friend, very young, she's doing, I think, BCom first year or something, second year. What she did, she used to come to me often कि आंटी ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है और हमें ना ऐसे एक लिखना था, मैंने आपके ऊपर लिखा। मैंने बोला मेरे ऊपर क्यों लिखा भाई? आपके सो मेनी देयर आर सो मेनी इंस्पायरर्स, तो आप दूसरे कुछ लेते, लाइक डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम और आपकी प्रोफेसर होगी। आई ऑल्सो आई एम इंस्पायर्ड बाय डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम। आई एम हैप्पी। तो बोलते हैं, नहीं, मुझे जो इंस्पिरेशन मिला है ना वो आपसे मिला है। तो ऐसे मैं बोलूंगी कभी भी डोंट गिव अप द होप, ऑलवेज टेक, this is a, like, it's a, education is a sea, learning is a sea, it's a drop of the ocean. जो भी आप अचीव करेंगे, एक एक ड्रॉप्स, वट एवर यू आर अचीविंग ना, इट्स जस्ट अ ड्रॉप, so
Yes.
gather many pearls of those drops and never give up your education or your career, your goals.
यस एंड ये तो
Help
बहुत ही
others.
अच्छी अच्छी ये बहुत अच्छा मैसेज था। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मेरे को सुन के। अब आप मेरे को बताइए, आप मेरे को दो लोग बताइए जिनसे जिनको आप इस शो से लाइक सीखना चाहेंगे। जैसे राजेश शुक्ला जी इस शो पे आए थे, आपके और कौन से लोग हैं जो आप इस शो पे देखना चाहेंगी?
अ, वैसे तो अ, है बहुत सारे। अ, आपको अगर इस लाइन फील्ड में चाहिए तो एक मेरी फ्रेंड है, शी इज अ ब्लाइंड, शांता नरसियन। शी
यस।
इज ऑल्सो MSW। और उसकी हिस्ट्री थोड़ा अगर मैं बताऊं, शी इज मैरिड टू अ साइटेड पर्सन। उनका आपस में प्यार हो गया और ही वॉज अ ऑफिसर इन शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन। तो उसने भी बहुत स्ट्रगल किया। उसने कहा कि मैं शादी करूंगा तो इससे ही करूंगा, और दे आर हैप्पी, लाइक कपल। उनके दो बच्चे हैं, एक इंजीनियर है और एक अभी कनाडा में है। शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच एजुकेटेड, हाईली एजुकेटेड। मेरी दूसरी फ्रेंड है एक
हाँ, ये तो
अनन्या
ये
दीक्षित। बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे हैं जिनको आप अपना ये कर सकते हो। इवन
हम्म,
अमंग से साइटेड पीपल ऑल्सो,
ये
आई कैन
बहुत
से।
अच्छी। हम्म। ओके, तो इनका इनका नंबर तो आप भेज देना। और ये तो बहुत ही सही चीज कही आपने। इनका नंबर आप भेज देना। और सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो मेरे पास है आपके लिए, आप प्लीज एडवाइस व्हाट यूनिक थिंग यू हैव लाइक्ड अबाउट माय चैनल आदित्य टॉक्स, और आदित्य कहते हैं, एंड एनी सजेशंस which should be incorporated to improve the experience of my audience.
आदित्य, आई एम वेरी मच
Yes.
प्राउड ऑफ यू, वेरी मच प्राउड ऑफ यू। आपने इतने छोटेपन में ही, इतने बचपन में, यू आर सच अ यंग चाइल्ड।
Yes.
तो मेरे आप बच्चे समान है और बहुत अच्छे। आपने अच्छा इंटरव्यू, मैंने राजेश जी का भी सुना, आपने मेरा भी लिया।
Yes.
तो इट्स इंस्पायरिंग एंड एक्चुअली ऑल द बेस्ट। You can learn a lot. Lot means lot. You can, uh, I mean, you can achieve a lot.
Okay. Thank, thank
God
you,
bless.
thank you,
I
thank you,
salute you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure. Thank you. Now, thank you for coming on the show. Thank you, like viewers. Thank you for watching till the end. And well, I hope you found this talk very interesting because I was inspired. I am inspired by you, Miss Hiramani, and I hope that my viewers felt that too. And so it's been a very good. It was a good. It is a very it was a very good talk. And thank you for coming on the show, Miss Hiramani. Bye bye.
I hope I satisfied you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
Bye. All the best.